Hello guys, and in this video I will show you all of the controls of this JBL GO 4 speaker. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So let's get started with this left control panel. Right here you can see 3 buttons. This first button is power button. You can turn on and turn off speaker with the help of this button. Let's test it. By simply clicking, you can turn on and turn off the speaker. Now let's turn it on again. And the second button is Bluetooth button. This button turns speaker into a pairing mode for situations when you want to disconnect the speaker from your phone so your friend can connect to the speaker. And the third button is Auracast button. This button is used for multi-connection to JBL speakers so you can enjoy your favorite music from more than only one speaker. Now to the top control panel. Now let's get to the top control panel. Right here you can manage your playback. This first button is volume down. The second button is play or pause. And the last button is volume up. I can show you that the volume down and up buttons are working by just simply clicking them on the speaker. And the same with the volume down. Also, some functions on this panel you may not know, that if you double click on this play pause button, you can skip to the next track, and with a triple click, you can put on the previous track. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.